In this video, we are going to talk about a new feature which has been introduced in the recent versions of the Postman automation tool. If you remember, in one of my videos, I have talked about the Spotify collection. I have created a Spotify collection using a developer account, and I've used some of the Spotify API requests to send and receive some requests like creating a playlist, getting playlist, adding items, and then removing items from the playlist. Now to do all this, I used the authorization type as OAuth 2.0. Okay, and for that we required some other details like callback URL, the client ID, client secret, the scope, which is all part of the API getting authorized, right? So once we did that, we were able to send request and then receive the response from the Spotify API. Okay. But the problem was when we were using the OAuth 2.0 authorization, the access token gets expired in a few hours. And every time it gets expired, we need to generate a new access token. Now, Postman did not had a feature which could automatically do this in its earlier versions. So we had to do this manually, or we had to put some logic in our scripts so that this token can be refreshed when it gets expired, and then we can use the new token to send and receive the request and response, right? But now, in the latest version of Postman, this particular feature has been added. It's one of the most interesting features. I have got lots of questions on how to refresh OAuth 2.0 tokens when using some requests inside Postman, right? And this feature was a long awaited. And so now Postman has provided us with this feature where we can refresh our tokens automatically. So let's see how we can do this. But before that, let's see what I'm talking about. Okay. So we have got this access token in this Spotify collection folder, as you can see, and here it is showing a message called token expired. Now I can manually go ahead and click on this refresh and it will go ahead and refresh this particular token, right? But I don't want to do it every time this token gets expired. Okay. Now, if we look at one of the requests like browse categories, okay, and here the authorization, it is inheriting from the parent, and that's why the request is OAuth 2.0. It is getting it from the collection Spotify, okay. So we don't need to do anything here, but let's try and send this request and see what's the response is like, okay. As you can see, it is throwing an error 401 and saying the access token has expired, right? So that's the message which we already know that our access token is expired. So our requests are not going to work, right? Because it has not got a valid access token. And now we need to get a new access token. Now there are two ways of doing it. One, which I said, we can refresh it and we can get it manually to get a new access token by logging into Spotify, right? But the other option, which I was talking about, the new feature which has been introduced, which is the auto refresh access token. Okay, so whenever you are using this type of token, you can enable this option here, auto refresh access token, and then the expired access token will be auto refreshed before sending a request. Okay. We can, there is also another feature called share access token. Now, if you're working within a workspace where multiple users are present, you can also share your token with anyone with access to this request to view and use it. Okay. So this is the option to share your access token. So once we do this, once we have selected auto refresh access token, now let's go back to our browse categories, right? And let's try to send this particular request. Now, as you can see, this time around, we did not get any error. Okay. And you can see it has returned us all the categories which we wanted from our playlist. Okay. So the Spotify API request went through successfully without any error, and we did not had to actually manually refresh or get a new access token from Spotify, but it was done automatically by Postman. So once we go back to the Spotify collection, here you can see that our access token has been already changed. Okay, it has already retrieved a new access token. And as you can see, it is also showing you when it is going to expire. Okay, so it's going to expire approximately in an hour time. Okay, and after that, it is going to auto refresh the access token so that your requests don't fail abruptly. They will be always running, no matter if your access token gets expired. Postman will automatically take care of it. So this is a very interesting feature which has been introduced in the latest versions of Postman. Now I am currently on the latest version of Postman, which is 10 point something. So if you want to use this feature, I would suggest to upgrade or update your Postman tool if it is not updated from a long time, so that you can take benefit of this particular feature.